Okay, hello guys. This is CryptoZilla. Welcome once more to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you a quick update. So you'll be fast to do this. I'll be showing you a very quick update on how to earn between 5,000 to 15,000 pieces of SHIBA for free just by registering on this app, an exchange app. It's actually an airdrop. So you do this fast and you earn between 5,000 to 15,000 pieces of SHIBA for free. So what you earn actually depends on what the machine gives you. So as you can see on your screen, I earn 15,000 pieces of it. You might register and earn 20,000 pieces of it for free. So we'll not waste much of your time, but go straight up into the video to show you how it is being done. Now, but before then, if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and as well turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload videos like this, because some of these updates don't actually last long. They will just come and is meant for a few participants. So if you don't get notified on time or updated on time, you actually miss out on any of these. So do well to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a video like this so you participate early. So without much ado, I want to go straight up into the video. Okay guys, all you need to do now is to go to the description of this video. You will see the link to the next website I'll be going to. So the link is actually okx.com. So I'll be going straight up into that. This is the link here, okx.com. Then look at the description of this video, you'll find one. All you need to do is to tap on the sign up button. Click on the sign up button, then it will bring you to the sign up page. Then let me sign up. Let me sign up. Then I'll needing a password. Okay, use a strong password. Then click on sign up. Save the password. Okay, you solve the captcha. Yeah. Now a code is sent to your email. Let me get the code. 77659. I think so. All right, we are in. Now here we are in. Now we are registered. So the next thing you need to do here is to download the app. So you tap on Google Play. Take you to Google Play here. Let's download. Okay, we are on Google Play Store now. So you click on install. Let's install the app. All right, we'll click on open. We'll open the app now to see what's inside. Then this is the front page, the home page of the app. Then let's log in. Okay, I'll be logging in now with the email I use in registering. It's already saved. I'll click on login. Solve this captcha. Alright, I'll set off my fingerprint. Alright, congratulations. You can see the notification on your dashboard the moment you log in. They will tell you, congratulations, you've received a mystery box from OKX. All you need to do now at this stage is to click on open. You open it, then you check your app. Okay, this is it, guys. This is 16,000 SHIBA tokens received. So at this point, all you have to do is just to click on cut it, then go to your wallet balance and check is there already deposited on your wallet balance. You can transfer from this exchange to your Trust wallet or any other wallet you want to transfer to. So this is just a simple update. You have to hurry quick to participate in it before it stops. So guys, this is all we have to show to you. on this video. Please, if you like what we are doing, go on to subscribe to this channel, and as well turn on your notification icon so you get updated whenever we upload videos like this. Once more, this is CryptoZilla. I'll be doing more of this to actually keep you updated with what is going on the crypto space. Remember, we have a lot of videos on our channel. You can go through them to see if you find anyone ties in so you learn from. So have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.